Blessings everybody. This is the next day, you don't know. They are on the farm again, just reached down on the farm. About 12:30, 12:40 right now. Sun well hot. I have to wait for my brother and my mother to come down from Portmore. So them just left out, so at them time I have to reach down here, you know. Yeah. So we have cousin Dino. I full up the bucket them for we. Give thanks him there for company today. I remember Key and them we plant yesterday. We're gonna add some ashes. So remember you saw me as I light my fire. Today we not start with lighting the fire. Today we're gonna collect some ashes first. Then we light the fire. So we're gonna add them ashes here. Look at this quality ash. Yeah man, natural wood fire ash today. Yeah man, I'm not shy, just go in there and get it with your hand. Yeah man. Get little dirty on the farm. What you mean? Go in there with your hand. Look how much ash I collect. Yo. The bucket almost quarter. Look at this. Whole heap of ash. God is good. Alright, we not even need so much. Alright. So, I'm showing you all. Alright, you know, go to the bucket, you go a strawberry. I'm just showing you how easy now. You just add the ash simple as this. Just sprinkle a little of the root. Sprinkle a little of the root. Sprinkle a little of the root. You see that? Sprinkle a little. Sprinkle a little. Sprinkle a little. Sprinkle a little. Cause I want them cane to grow up nice and juicy. Big and juicy, you know? Enough cane juice. I remember me telling you, ash make the food sweeter. When the plant them grow up with the ashes, the potassium, because ash is potassium, you know. So when the plant grow up with the potassium, them will grow big and strong and green and juicy. You see it? Yeah. So Sir Dino line up that for me already. I'm going. So this is the update on the wild cabbage. So the center still strong. The side them wither. But our life still in it. Not sure. Yes, I. So the aloe vera looking proper, looking healthy. So this is the other wild cabbage. Looking proper, man. Check on the tomatoes. Looking good. Cause these were very small tomatoes we plant over this side, you know. And yeah man, the potassium, the ashes, it is doing good for the, oh my, look at this one. It's doing well, very well. Yeah man. So you don't know, observe the plants, see how them are develop. Oh, yesterday I'm try a new technique. So I'm gonna come out of the sun. Alright. Yesterday I'm saying I'll put some leaf around the plant because it's supposed to keep them cooler. So the direct sunlight is not on the soil, it's bouncing off the leaf. So as you can see, under, I'm gonna come out of the light. Under, still moist, but over here is dry. You see that? So this leaf technique, it keeps the root area still moist. So I need to go through and put leaves around every plant so this direct sunlight don't just absorb up. Look how I do these ones. Yeah. So I think say we might not water the tomato today. I'm gonna water the tomato tomorrow. Because I might give them too much water. So I'm gonna make them just breeze off today. Take a chill, relax. So them not get pressured with us whole heap of water every day. Cause them catch now. It's about a week from we plant them out, so them catch now. So we can ease up now with the whole heap of watering every day, and we can move it to every other day with the tomatoes. But the strawberry need water every day. Strawberry need it. And them look green and nice. Man, sardine water the thing them nice way. Man. See how the strawberry them look nice, them love the water. Them love it. Look at this one flowering, you know. There's a little bud, a flower. And this one flowering as well. Man. So we have 2 strawberries flowering. Beautiful. Yeah man, them love the water every day. Them love it. Them just a bathe in the night, them love it. Yeah man, so I give them water every day. I know say enough work, but if you're afraid of work, that means there's something wrong with you, man. You have to just deal with the works. Cause so you get to reap the benefits. Yeah, so we're now going to water this tomato today. You see me, Dino? We're now going to water the tomato. Well, you can just probably sprinkle. We're not going to give them too much water. Just give them a little bit each, not too much. Because some of them these start kind of get yellow. Like, look on a leaf. You see, kind of yellowish. When you see yellow leaf, it signs too much water. You know? But you can give them a little more than that still, you know. But I guess maybe I give them too much water for true. But just a little bit for just, you know, look at that plant here. Insect neem it out, man. That one look like caterpillar deal with that. Yeah. So you don't know, I still continue we don't know. We just help Dino water some of them. Alright. Yes everybody, we just help Dino water the straw the tomato them. Just get a light sprinkle, nothing too heavy. Just make sure say liquor still moist same way, you know. So we're up at the seed bed right now. Don't know Dino. I water them right now. As I showed you yesterday, them watermelon here, insect did a deal with them away. Man, you can see even see an insect on it right now. Slap man, sorry. Man. Look at them. So guess what now? I bring my neem oil, neem spray. I just put in our hand sanitizing thing, you know, something for spray buckle. So these are the neem water. So neem leaf, boil up in some water. And yeah, I'm gonna spray it on them plant and see if we can get rid of them insects. Cause look, the insects they're all over the plants. They must eat it down. So I'm just gonna spray everything. Cause see them gone to the cucumber. And you just give them time and then move on to everything else. So I'm gonna spray them. So let me see. Can I hold the camera and spray it? So yeah, simple as this. So an insect up on the ground. Yeah man, so one up on the plant. Man. Oh. And it's my wife make this solution. And she said she put a little bit of dishwashing liquid with it. Because they say it help run with the insects same way. But it won't hurt the plant. So we just borrow a solution. Look at that, be an insect on the thing. Insect all over. Man, like the spray bottle stop work. Oh no. Oh my gosh. On to the spray bottle now. I know it choose to stop work. Come on, man. Alright, let us try something. Yeah, man, we get it to start work again. Dino help me out. So I could see, spray them thing. Spray them. Spray them. Insect, man. Come off our thing them. We want to eat them too. We want to eat them too. Come on. Think them not even get melon yet and them want it. So I just spray everything. Make sure so your insect no come spread and want to eat up. Thing them star. Oh, the breeze are blowing. Man. Sure. You make them look nice, don't you? Yeah, man, we want to plant them. We want to eat them too. Cause look over here. See them flying insect them all over here, so, you know? But them not touch them one so hard. Like, them just love the watermelon and the cucumber. So I could just spray them. Could a insect. I don't know if you can see them. Spray or plant them. I'll try to get under the leaf. See me turn it upside down and mash up the thing here. So the insect them will come out. They must say no, so them don't like it. Yeah, man, don't like it. Come off our thing them. Watch insect. So natural pesticide, neem water with liquor, dishwashing liquid. Not if I'm natural or with I say DIY, you see me? More of a DIY. The dishwashing liquid no natural, you see it? Although everything natural from the earth. Everything come from the earth, you know. So if you say man-made, still God make it and man use it and make something else with it. Yeah. So we just spray everything. Spray it. Too much insect I try come take our croppings. Man, and that's why farmer them just put on the chemical on the thing them. Cause they want to save them crop. But see it here, we have to with DIY chemical. Want to save the crop. Yeah. Give them a good spray. Cause look at that. Insect can eat out the thing once the one there. Spray them. Come on. When we plant them, man, insect can't just come take away from we. So we have to do something about that, you see me? Oh, I never spray that side, I'm just spray that side there real quick. The breeze ease up so can spray it a little better now. Ah, look at these insects, a lot of insects over here. You can see this one? And look at this green one. Come out of our garden. Come out. My garden. Bring start back. Man. Insects. So we just make sure everything get a little spray. Them basil are look nice still. Choo. Watermelon them. The insect them gone down to the root. Wonder if none of you even save. How them thing come and shell out the thing them, man. Watermelon. No watermelon nice. And them could even wait till the thing fruit. Them are gone with little sucker. Coulda, this one you down at the root. At the root them there eat the thing them now. Hopefully this do something now, man. And save them. Well, when I get to experience it with me, first I try watermelon. Though we know say some flying insect love it. Them deal with it away, man. So hopefully the Neem thing make a difference. Yeah. Oh, need to water them cane there too, you know. Eh?
Did you water them already?
Me do water them already?
Yeah.
Oh, no, me do put the ashes. So, yeah, go down this way, man. So, we show an update on the seed bed, especially the watermelons, and see if the neem make a difference and run with the insect. See the cucumber, and the cucumber them will move to next, you know. Jano. So, yeah, we're gonna see if it make a difference. Insects. Them will try to shell out the thing, man. Man. That's a farming stay, you know, people. Sometimes insect come and try to deal with their things, so you have to know if you just sort them out before them sort you out. Alright, see, me put the ashes on them cane, you know. Cause you don't know ashes have potassium. Everybody must know that from now. And potassium make the cane them grow big and strong and healthy and green. So that is the use of potassium, aka ashes. You see me? So you don't know, when you get them cane from up a Dino place, I will see how them go on. The sun look hot on them, they leave them wither, but encourage them, because I saw it, them now go just so strong same way. Them are going to look wither because you chop them from them place, you know. So, I will see how that turn out and see how the ashes are going to boost up them little small cane, because they kind of see some cane them kind of look small. But the ashes supposed to boost them and make them become big and strong. I don't know. Yeah. And the strawberry are going nice. Them love the water every day. Can't tell you that much. Tomato them are going good. Look like about 96% of them. About 96% survive. Yeah, man. So you don't know 4% dead. Yes, I. Some hole you not even have nothing. Look on this. This is one. You know? So some of them never make it. Look on them one here struggle. Yeah. The one here, the hole, this not even have none. The tomato they gone. So you don't know, some gone, some make it, some make it nice. So we give thanks to which one catch, and we just give them a little water, make them go and survive. Sardine will pack up for it. I don't know. I'm glad for him help, glad for your company. Yeah, man, so that's the update on the farm right now. So yeah, today we add ashes to the cane, water everything, We spray the neem oil, the neem water with liquid detergent, liquid soap. So we spray that on the cucumber and the melon. So spray it on everything, but cucumber and melon, I'm gonna get a beating from the flying insect them. So I'm gonna see if that make a difference. See where it stay tomorrow. See if the insect them are gonna still shell them out. Man, insect them deal with them away just one day and you see a big difference, Jano. So I go still. Love watermelon, no man. But yeah, I don't know how they are bust sweat. Cause do the works, get active. Soon or tomorrow again. Blessings.